Hi, I'm pretty sure no one's watching this, but if you are by some miracle, welcome to an episode of me practicing my free will kasi I miss editing videos. Kaso, wala akong videos na ma-edit, so here we are. It's a Saturday, I went out with my sister, she had a couple of errands to run. First, we went to the dentist, and then after that, we went to a nearby mall to buy a couple of stuff, and then now we're on our way to a cafe. Itong cafe na to, napuntahan na namin to like parang 2 to 3 years ago. Kaso, yung mga foods na gusto namin i-try before, halos hindi available lahat. So, drinks lang talaga yung na-try namin nun. And then, my sister heard na they moved to a new location. Malapit lang din naman sa old location nila. Kaya, pinuntahan namin. And, nilakad pa namin. Medyo naligaw pa kami ng konti kasi yung nakapin pala na location sa Google, yung old location pala. So, mabuti na lang talaga, malapit lang. And nahanap din namin. Parang mga nakadalawang ligaw kami sa daan bago kami napunta dyan. Pero yun, we made it. The vibes is really, hindi ko na talaga alam. Basta maganda yung vibes. Very different from their old location. Kasi nung old location nila, parang more on minimal aesthetic, ganon. Pero dito, it's more cozy, more warm, more, I guess, decorative. Can I say decorative? Basta ganon, mas marami siyang ganap compared sa previous location. So, dumating yung order namin. I got truffle pasta and then Caesar salad, and then my sister got aglio olio. And isa lang yung drink namin. Kasi, this time, yung drinks naman yung halos hindi available yung gusto namin. Parang pangatlong change ako ng order ko ng drink. Pero wala pa rin talaga, hindi pa rin talaga available. Okay lang din naman. No hard feelings. Masarap yung food nila. I really like it kasi it's not really expensive. It's not cheap kasi syempre cafe. But it's not super duper expensive. Like, sakto lang talaga. The portions are really good. Parang nasanay kasi ako na pag sa cafe, ang cute ng portion. And the taste is good. Ano pa? Yun. Yung hindi ko lang nagustuhan is yung strawberry drink. Kasi it's really syrupy. Parang sobrang artificial niya. Pero you can't really complain kasi yung price nga, hindi naman masakit sa bulsa. So parang you get what you pay for. Ganun yung vibes. Pero masarap pa rin naman. You know, just don't expect too much. And then after that, we went home. Then na-triple ride kami dyan. Trike, tapos jeep, tapos trike ulit. And then now, that's Wednesday. If tama ako. Pero makikita nyo naman yan sa screen. We went out, we went to a nearby mall. Pero this time, grocery lang talaga. Yung goal ko dyan, bibili lang ako ng melatonin. Tapos yung ate ko, bibili ng pasta. Yun lang talaga dapat. Tapos, tawa kami ng tawa dyan, pati sa jeep. Tawa kami ng tawa kasi sabi ko sa ate ko, i-check mo yung pera kasi baka hindi kasya. Well, kasya naman. Pero yung papunta lang, yung pauwi, wala kaming pera pauwi. So, paano kami uuwi? Wala akong dalang cash. Kasi wala talaga akong cash. Buti na lang, may ATM sa mall. Parang naawa ata si Lord. Kasi alam nyo guys, ever since natayo yung mall na yan, wala talagang ATM machine dun sa ATM area nila. As in, wala. 3 slots yun. Ni isang ATM machine, wala. Pero sa araw na to, meron. So, thank you, Lord. At nakauwi kami. Yung goal ko, diba kanina, melatonin lang. Tapos yung ate ko, pasta. E nauna kami sa grocery. Tapos nakita ko yung parang granola. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dyan. Granola ba yan? Pero sarap na sarap talaga ako. I really love it. Yung parang sa Fit Bar na feeling ko talaga granola yan. Basta yan. So, bumili din ako. And then, bumili din ako ng couple of snacks. Whatever. And then, nagutom ako sa may Jollibee kami ng ate ko. Kasi may Jollibee din sa mall na yan. I don't even know if I can call it a mall. Kasi, guys, yung meron lang talaga dyan is foods, tapos grocery, tapos Mr. DIY, tapos Watsons. Mall pa ba yun? I guess so. Pero yun, bought melatonin, and then Jollibee, and then uwi. And then the next day, that's the next day. The night before that, I made an overnight oats. Pero instant yung ginamit ko kasi wala kaming rolled oats sa bahay. So yun, chocolate milk yung ginamit ko, and then a little bit of coffee. Tapos nilagyan ko nung binili kong parang granola. Masarap naman siya. I've tried overnight oats before, pero instant oats nga din yung ginamit ko. It's good, pero yung texture talaga hindi ko siya bet. Yung parang slimy na sticky texture, hindi ko siya bet. Pero masarap. And then, I studied Thai. Yes! I'm self-learning Thai. Hindi ko din alam anong trip ko talaga. Ever since, ganyan na talaga ginagawa ko. Pag summer, tapos bored ako, it's either I change my handwriting or I try to study a language. Pangilang language na yan. I've tried Korean, Indo, Malayu. I've Mandarin. I've tried Japanese too. Hindi ko din talaga alam anong trip ko, pero pag mga ganyan, ganadong-ganado ako mag-aral. Was I successful though? No. Pero hopefully ito, successful siya. Like, parang masaya siya. Mahirap siya, pero parang masaya. Yung goal ko talaga, guys, one day in the future, I get to make a video. I get to film a video na nagsasalita lang ako in Thai. Like, full Thai. The entire time. Tapos may subtitles. Parang ganun, parang ganap na ganap ako. And it's also a win-win situation for me kasi I've been watching a lot of Thai PLs lately. Parang, 2 birds in 1 stone. Alam mo yun? Like, I get to learn a language, and then I also get to understand what I'm watching, kahit walang subtitles. Yes, please. Pero yan, hopefully, magawa ko siya in the future. I don't really know. Kasi baka ito lang din yung video na i-post ko, tapos sa future, wala na. Kasi what if tama rin ako? Bye! Thanks! Oh, as a hell.